Hey, good morning, everyone. We're in Woodstock, Vermont, and PackinDirt's in front of me, Jesse. He lives in Vermont, I live in New Hampshire, but we're only about 5 miles apart as far as our border. He lives on the border, I live about 5 miles from the border, so as far as COVID goes, we're just doing a ride together, not swapping spit. That was a new Land Rover Defender. I haven't seen one in person yet. I think we're doing the Dirty Dog, and I'll talk more about it later. I'm going to skip the intro today. Alright, so we're at Killington now. Bridgewater Corners. Killington / Pico's over here in front of us. So, we are hopping on the Dirty Dog. I think we're hopping Dirty Dog North. The Puppy Dog Ride is the B&W Vermont Club route. We publish every year, and we do every year in May or June. And one of the riders on ADVRider rightfully was like, Puppy Dog's kind of boring, and he's right. It's a regular street tire, unpaved road tour of Vermont. It's not challenging, it's just unpaved roads. So he made the Dirty Dog, and it's the dirtier puppy dog. So here we are at Killington. Things are obviously ramping down. There's no more golfing. It's over. It's 37 degrees. No more mountain biking. And yeah, no snow. Season's coming to a close fast, guys. It really is. We are ending our year so damn fast. I can't believe it's mid-September and it's freaking 32 degrees this morning. Whew. Look at this causeway we're on. It's paved, but like, it's right next to the water. Spooked that horse.
Yeah, oops.
Well, we weren't blazing through there, but he just like bucked and started. Then 4 dogs came out. They were pissed. That dog hates me. Oh, we're finally getting to the hard stuff now. I'm getting really fast turning off traction control. I don't know if I'm recording right now, but oh yeah, we're recording. Sweet. I'm sure PackinDirt's thinking, is he still back there? There's just 2 of us, so gotta be safe today. Oh, we're in Bethel, Vermont. Huh. Is he going right? Oh. Oh, it's gonna suck. Oh, it didn't suck. These roads, by the way, were recently graded, so we're so it's a little bit slippery. Whoa, shit! Didn't see that rut there. Did you guys see that? There's a rut there. This is 1 minute. Jesus Christ! Yeah, all these roads were graded recently because winter's coming, and it's just yeah, it's just very loose. There was also a gunshot in the background back there. I almost forgot that. I think we're on the verge of hunting season. Just did Donner State Forest, not Dahmer, Donner. So I've been on this road a lot of times. There's a little pull up over here in this little state park area over here to eat and camp and stuff. I know where we are, but I did not know that road back there existed, and that was a lot of fun. It was almost like a hiking trail, a 2-track hiking trail. It was sand and gravel were thrown down, but it wasn't graded. So it was state lands, public lands. And so we were on it, but I was like dancing like this for about 8 minutes. Some horses. We're in central Vermont, and every bit of usable land that doesn't have a house on it has a horse farm on it. Oh! Whew. Choo. Oh my God. I'm sure he saw his life pass in front of his eyes. Jesus Christ, dude. Oh my God. Yep. Fall is coming, guys. Get your partners in the Subarus and head up to Vermont. And just look at it. Look at all those dead trees. Stop right in front of me on the highway. Take some pictures with your shitty smartphones. Come on up to Vermont. We don't have much COVID up here. So come on up. Bring your COVID, bring your Subarus, bring your smartphones, bring your flannel. And don't bring your flannel. Oh, Jesse's behind me, by the way. He and I switched who was nabbing. I wasn't really volunteering, but I'm like, hey, if you feel like taking a break, let me know. So, oh yeah, you take over. Here we are. Now we see. I feel like I have been back here before, though. Maintained roads up here. Old sugar house. Off camber ruts. Big bumps. Some step downs here. I think Jesse's not gonna go. Oh, he's coming. Let's try to stay center here. Not rut it up. Ooh, that was close. You doing okay?
Oh yeah, I just had to stop to turn my ABS off.
I just don't want to go back up this thing, but it's really dry, so.
That's beautiful.
Alright, cool.
Yeah, dry is good.
Am I going too slow for it?
When this is wet, this would suck.
Oh my God, well, that's why it's all rutted out.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm good.
Oh, we'll eat this for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Yeah. That's what I was. That's what I was gonna do that. Damn it!
I thought it wasn't that deep. I was like, oh, I gotta go through there.
Okay, I'm gonna go through it. Oh, like this is, I've never seen it this low before. I'm gonna go through one more time. That was fun. That's the way to clean the bike off, though. Woo! I'm like covered in water.
You went through the deep part.
It went over this.
Oh, man.
Oh boy, back on a class 4 road again. Although it's not marked as class 4, but we're on it. Wow, this is filled up with gas. Good timing to fill the tank up. Nice little tip with these double take mirrors if you're curious, because you can angle them up. I'll keep one facing straight back. Oh, this is gonna get bad. I'll keep one facing straight back. Oh, come on. And then I'll put the right one pointing up. So that way when I'm standing, I can see my buddy behind me. So I'm sitting, I see him behind me on the left. If I'm standing, I see him behind me on the right. It's kind of nice. Oh, low bridge. I'm so glad it's dry. Hill climb. I'm going to pick left line. And I'll get a picture of our bikes. I'm going to pee.
Okay.
This is pretty gnarly. Oh, we're on a fucking ATV trail now. Oh my god, you guys getting this? Oh my god. This is... We are on these like ATV trails. So they're probably roads, but they're ATV friendly. And I can see why. Can definitely see why. This is going to be a very good night's sleep tonight. Yeah, following his lead. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Sand, sand, sand. I'm stuck on it now. Oh, we're going down, down, down in the hole. Gotta drag that rear brake. Oh. Gotta keep 700 pounds of motorcycle from sliding down this hill at breakneck speeds. This looks like a driveway, but it's on the map. Yeah, so we're gonna keep following the route for the extra 30 minutes or whatever it takes us to get to P&H. But then get some pie. By then it'll be about 5 o'clock by the time I wrap up the pie fun.
pie.
There goes PackinDirt. He's out of here.